YouTube, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing great this precious afternoon. If you're new on the channel, you are welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave out the video. And if you are already a goodie subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back. As you guys can see today in the title, it is a pretty little thin fashion haul. I got me a couple of jumpsuits, one romper and one top. So yeah, without further ado, don't let's talk too much, okay? Without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to see what your girl got, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, from the one that I don't like, which is this one jumpsuit right here that I really have no business getting it, I try as much as possible to squeeze in it, but I don't want it. I don't want to keep it. If you're in a rush to go somewhere, this is not a jumpsuit for you. So the jumpsuit looks like this. It is this nude. Don't get me wrong guys, this jumpsuit is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It looks good on the body, but I don't know, maybe I just don't like the ruching butt part area. It's just ain't doing it for me. And with the fact that, okay, let me take it off the hanger real quick and show you guys something. It does come with a like a bodysuit kind of thingy on the inside. It came with this, but this and the crotch area, they are worlds apart. Okay, they are worlds apart. I did my possible best to squish in it, to squeeze my natural self in here, but it just wasn't working for me. Like, this is what it looks like. It has ruching all over it. It is so uncomfortable getting into this because of the ruching everywhere. It doesn't have any, the ruching is not, doesn't have any elasticated thingy on it. So it, okay y'all. This is another one. This one right here. This jumpsuit right here, it is so cute. Classy, nice, beautiful black jumpsuit. This is what the front looks like. The front looks like it has some kind of corseted detail on it over here. It is off the shoulder like this. So you guys will see it on the video. Let me put this on. You guys will see it on the video how I put it on. So it is off the shoulder like this. It has a nice, beautiful, puffy sleeve and this little detail right here on the arm. This is beautiful, and it has the zipper on it. The only thing about this jumpsuit is it is just a tad bit too big for me on my waist, because my waist is pretty small. It's not that small, but it's small. So sometimes I wear size 8 in most things. So once I buy between 6 and 8. So when I buy 8 sometimes in most things, the waist is pretty big on me. I wish this was snatched. I know if I actually get this in a 6, I'll be fine, but it might not give me the length that I am looking for. So yeah, so this is this one, pretty long, tall girl friendly. If you are taller than me, I am 5'5". If you are 5'6", 5'7", 5'8", you should be able to wear this pretty well with a nice heels. I'm a kind of person, I like my heels, my pants to cover my heels, so I'm so delighted about this. This right here is gorgeous. We ain't got nothing in all the jumpsuits that I'm trying on today. Get this jumpsuit. This is class right here. Class, beautiful and gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay guys, this is another jumpsuit that I got. This jumpsuit, I have it in a dress. I will pop up the picture up here for you guys to see what it looks like on me, the dress look like. But then when I saw the outfit also, the material in a jumpsuit, I was like, baby, I need to cop that. That needs to be in my closet. But this is what it looks like. It's not much to it. So it's just this beautiful flowery jumpsuit right over here. The back is pretty, move back a little bit. The back is pretty open. You guys will see the video when I try it on somewhere here. Yeah, pretty open, and it has, man, if I tell you that this rope right here, you can hang somebody with this rope, guys. The rope on it is longer than the outfit itself. It's like the rope is touching the ground, and this is how tall my hand can go. This is how high my hand can go, and the rope is still over there on the ground. So I think I wrapped this around myself maybe 3 times before I could get the kind of waist I want. This is beautiful, guys. Really cute, sexy. You could go out with your girls in this, go out with your bae in this. You could go on vacation with this. This is what the top looks like. The top part of it looks like. Y'all see the details on that. Y'all see the flowers on it. So with this, I'll probably just wear like a nude slipper, a nude sandal, or what do you call it, a nude sandal with a clear purse, maybe a purse like this, something simple to wear with this. It will be so cute. It is long. You can wear heels with this one. This right here, it is gorgeous. This is the last jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is just the same one like the one I just showed you guys. It's just in a more brownie color. It is the same thing. They look alike. This one right here, I don't know why the heck my ass got a size 8 in this. It is a little bit big on my waist, but I'm okay with it. I'll make it work because it gave me a lot of length in the shoe and for my heel. Yes, it does. And again, the same rope on it. This is the rope right here. It's still touching the floor. This also, I think I wrap it around myself about 3 times. You could do 3, you could do 2, depends on how long you want the actual rope to be on you. But yeah, this is what this one is looking like. It does come up and it covers just, you know, just your breast area over here, and it's very sturdy, and you could still wear like a brassy bra tape on there. Brassy bra tape or boob tape. I have a boob tape right here. If I want to wear it, I'll probably wear a boob tape with it, so it could lift up the girl a little bit, and you know, you'll be more comfortable. Even if it's slip open, there's still something covering you. You will still be secure regardless of what. But yeah, this is what this one is looking like. Really cute, really nice, and really sexy also. Okay, y'all, the only romper that I got, guys. Woo! This romper right here. I don't even know what else to say. But this romper right here, it is too cute, too beautiful, and too nice. It's white. It might wash me out a little bit, but guys, this is what it looks like. This is the details on it. Look at the shoulder. Y'all see the ruffles right here? These 2 layer ruffles on the shoulder, pleated. Oh my god. And it does have a beautiful V-neck. This neck right here, guys, it is deep, as in all the way almost down to your belly button, if I would say. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. You guys will see it in the video. And it has, when somebody see you, they'll probably think you have on a short dress. But baby, bam, turn around, and yes, it is a romper. It is a romper underneath. This is gorgeous. The only thing is the material. I'm not a fan of the material. It's those, let me see if the name of the material is on it. 100% polyester. Yeah, not my forte. And it does come with a belt, and you could change out the belt and put whatever belt you like with it. But baby, and it also have a zipper going down at the back. I am in love with this romper. I don't think I've seen many people with this kind of romper. This is gorgeous, guys. This is beautiful. Pretty little thing be having some really nice gem on their side if you look very well. They do have pretty good stuff over there. But yeah, guys, this is okay, guys. This is the top that I got. It is also in white. This top right here. This top right here. Alright, so is this white one over here? It's pleated. Guys, I am in love. Like this right here, it is so cute, classy, beautiful, off the shoulder or on the shoulder, whichever one works for you, but I would definitely put it off the shoulder, and it gives you a little bit of cleavage. It's not showing too much, so you could wear your regular bra with this one. It's not showing too much. It does have this bend right here, so it will hold you in, and the zipper does come apart, so you don't need to struggle to get in. The zipper does come apart. Put it on, hook it back on it, and zip it back up. But guys, this is cute. Look at that. It is the sleeve for your girl. Okay, this is what the sleeve looks like. It has this rouge. It is this ruched sleeve right here, poofy, and then it has this on it. Also the same material with the other one, the romper, 100%. Let me see, 100% polyester. So yeah, I got this in a US 6. Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I do really appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to go in the comment section and let me know which one is the favorite of yours, which one is good on me, and which one you are also copying for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, I've seen 90+% of you guys watching my video and not subscribing. Subscribe now. It is free. Go ahead and subscribe. It takes a lot for us to do videos for you guys, and you guys are just not subscribing. You guys are not even just watching. What's going on? But guys, thank you so much. Until next upload, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.